In some cases, the best installation for your frost-free nose pump may be a pressure system. Now this shows that rod, that poly rod, attached to the float, which is attached to the pitless adapter, and the rod enables you to pull up the float should you ever have any issues with it. In this case, a bottom was put in the bottom of the steel culvert in order to ensure that it didn't drain away the water. In most cases, when you're on clay, that isn't really necessary, but they took the precaution of putting that in. Now, the hoe was used to dig a level trench, coming into the side wall of the culvert, and the pressure line is attached to that pitless adapter on the side wall of the culvert. As you can see, this application ended up going into the evening hours, so it got a little bit dark, but and in this case it required a fairly deep installation, so two culverts were joined together. Now the hose was placed so that it could be connected to the pressure system, and the backfilling is occurring. It's very important to make sure that that culvert is very level. That's important in order to get your nose pump level and your pipe and rod straight in the culvert. So you'll want to make every effort to make sure that that culvert is in there very level.